Hey yo fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And bro, if you were sleeping last night like me or like others, yeah man, what happened last night was hectic. Apparently, but I we saw the clip, right? I think Liema was like, hey man, Kilibatla one by one. Kilibatla one by one.
Kilibata one by one. Kilibata one by one.
Then he
Kilibata
fetch
one by one.
Ramona, then he fetch Thandeka. Like it was a disaster. It was a disaster. We all know that all this have started by the weave. Someone took someone's hair. That's when it started all this, and the participation in a task, We all know Thandeka. Thandeka is Thandeka, man. So yeah, man, that's what happened. And Liema, I don't know how she's feeling today. I haven't seen her having conversation or chatting with anyone in the house. I haven't noticed anything about that. But yeah, man, it was hectic, man, because they once faced each other last month, and again last night they faced each other. I don't know. I think people keep saying Thandeka, she's scared of Liema, or I don't know, because I don't know. It's a strategy. It's a game. I don't know anymore. Because I thought Thandeka is that girl, but now you can see that now, man. I'm a bit lost. Because yeah, she's been pushing them, and now when they push her, it's painful, man, to see that. Painful, especially Liema when she took out her head last night. And yeah, man, it was bad because we don't know what's going on with her hair. Obviously, maybe those things they put in their hair, and kind of like losing hair. So yeah, man. But yeah, man, it was hectic. It was hectic. I don't know what's gonna happen this tomorrow, which is gonna be a Saturday after party. We don't know what's gonna happen. They're going to continue with this drama or what. And we also expecting Big Brother to punish all the team, ladies team, after Thandeka and her friend Ramona. So we don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, man, we're looking forward to what's gonna happen. But yo, Liema, man, she was doing too much. There was a part whereby she was like to Dube, hey man, it's not like you're gonna win this 2 million. Shut up, yeah, man, it was painful to hear that. But hey, man, people they keep saying it's a game, but sometimes when someone tells you the truth hurts, bro. Like a truth hurts. So yeah, man, I don't know how Dube felt about that, but also Dube been saying negative things about Liam, yeah, man, it is what it is.